This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 97 of Optimus Prime. This issue, we're doing a little standalone part of the leg before next time when we get the foot attached. Looking at the cinema, we've got Jimmy, Cade's new assistant. The world of sport, Optimus and Cybertronian recreation. Oh, there's Cube, Cybertronian sport, where viewers were introduced to in Cyberverse. Killer pastime, similar to rugby. Okay. Nitro's use, high profile on Decepticon, obviously. Right, there we go. So there we got some New Order Decepticons, Minicons, Overload. Sure about that. It looks like a hair trimmer. And it's a vehicle that's not really a vehicle and some sort of gorilla type thing. Not overly impressed with those. Could be anything. There's not really, yeah, no, don't like it. Right, and some details I fixed to one of the outer plates of the left leg. That's all we're doing, putting the bits on the plate and then putting the plate aside until next time when we get to fit it. Around there. I don't know exactly. So, right, this one's not a big build episode, so let's get straight to it. Right, so we've got our big plate, which is quite nice. And then we've got some parts to put to it. We've got 3 little attachments. The first one is going in there. That's going to go there, there, and the final one down in there. All of these are just push in place, no screws involved in any of this stage of the construction. That, and that in there. Nice. And then these two simply go over the rest of it. So we've got that one in that hole there and that hole there. Like that. And this one going over the other side of that. There, that way round. One and that one. So there we go. One more piece completed. I shall. That doesn't look quite right though. Impression that they should be joining up, but they're not. One too low. Might be too low. No, it's gone in. No, it hasn't gone in the pin. Look, I missed the hole there. Right next to it. There you go. That's better. That looks like it joins up a little bit better there. So that's that. I shall put that aside until next time when we're going to attach it to the leg, probably, and attach the foot to the leg as well. So that's going to be interesting stuff. So I'll see you for that very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.